Today we're grilling up some cheese and bacon meatball subs at the pit, and it's real easy to do. Here we have Wolfman from our Wolf and Rooster chapter down in New Zealand. Gonna show us how to do it. Oh man, looks good. He's got some Italian seasoning there. He's got different sauces, maybe tomato paste. Whoa, ground pork, ground beef, bacon, eggs, onions, some good rolls, crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce. All right, looks like he's got some barbecue sauce going in. Get some of that molasses in there maybe. I tell you, you can say this is gonna be good. Now we've got over 17,000 chapters in 100 countries. If you'd like to start your own chapter, head on over to our website, BBQPitBoys.com, and sign up. It's that easy to do. Ooh, look at all those flavors going in there. Man, are you kidding me? Now, Wolfman says this is some of his meat sauce, some smoked turkey and chicken, all blended up to a nice, thick meat sauce. It's going to richen up this sauce for good. Oh, yeah. Simple enough. Heads on over to the grill, warms it up, bring all those flavors together. All right. Now we've got nearly 800 instructional videos on the tube, also on the face. Check them out when you can. We appreciate your support. Looks like he's adding some tomato juice there, just to lighten up that sauce. Simmer it up. All right. Oh yeah. Che bro. Making a meatball, some pork, some beef, some SPG. Some diced up onions. Throw an egg, helps bind it a bit, and roll up some of them meatballs. Grill them. It's gonna be good. All right. Seared them up nice, throw them in the sauce, finish them up. Alright, the sauce is done. Just loading them up with the meatballs and some of the sauce. Putting on some bacon, some shredded cheese. Are you kidding me? This is gonna be good. And in the miracle of time, woohoo! These cheese and bacon meatball subs are done. Hold everything. I'm assuming that these guys are apologizing for eating in front of us like this. I think they're calling it Pitmaster privilege. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.